What's going on, guys? Thought I'd post a video here. We got a brand new Wright 36 stander. Just wanted to kind of go over quick review. We have a 36. We actually sold our other one, so it's nothing new to us. But this is obviously the brand new make model, you know, for the year 2024. So real quick, just a few things about it. Well, first off, it's a 36 inch and it has the float deck. So that's a big deal for us. Raise the deck up and down. I believe the 32s are a fixed deck, or you can actually get them, I don't want to say customized, but I think you can get a 32 with a float deck, special order. I don't know, don't quote me on that. I could be completely wrong, but I've always gone with a 36. Anything smaller, like a gate, will push mow, but preferably this day and age, we try not to pick up many push mow accounts, if that makes sense. I mean, you want to keep your routes tight, so if it's close to a bunch you already do, then that's fine. But we preferably try not to push mow anymore. But so this is the 36. Few quick things about it. Has, like I said, the float deck. 1.5 up to 5 inches for the cutting. The settings are on the side there, and then pin the setting. And then you can lift and lower the deck with the button and the arm up top. Obviously there's hydros here. Everything, all of that is on the back. So right up here, there's the pad. Just lift the pad, and then you can get to the hydros and everything down there. All that good stuff. Again, guys, this is pretty much brand new. We got 6 hours on it. The deck, well, not the deck, the dash, I'd say. You have PTO, on, off, throttle, choke, all the basic stuff up there. Gas tank, I believe it's 5 gallons or 5.5, 5 something. I know it's a little more than 5. 5-gallon gas tank on the side there. Speed, I think it goes like 8 miles per hour. I'm not worried about speed when it comes to cutting grass. You just got to cut it the right way. I'm not worried about all that. But, you know, the rear tires, we've never had a problem with rutting with these. They're not super small, but they're not super fat either. Never a problem. I know these little mowers, some guys don't like the small tires because of the ruts. But one thing that's cool about these two is that all the bearings are sealed. So there's no grease points at all anywhere, which is awesome. We actually have a Skag, which is like my enemy right now. But you gotta grease like everything on this machine, which is not cool. But all the Wrights, everything's sealed, which is neat. There's 2 blades below the deck you gotta sharpen. Obviously you can jack this up, but the 36 has 2 long blades underneath. You know, 48 and up. It's like the 3+. So that's pretty cool. The weight, if you're looking at this in a trailer, and this is by our, I don't know what this is, 14, 16, I think it's 14. This thing is 700 pounds, I believe. I don't know, something like that. 7 something, below 8. Just, you know, watch your weight with these trailers. You know, you don't want to go over. Kawasaki, the FX engine, 600V, which we've never had a problem with Kawasaki engines. I've never really used anything else, but you know, you keep up with the oil changes, you keep up with the maintenance, you'll never have a problem. So, you know, that's pretty much it. Now, bagging wise, we do take that little flap off here, just so it's easy. I think everyone takes that off, but we take that off, and we actually have an aluminum bagger I've had for years, especially with our old Wright, or our old stander we had. So that's what we use. We have an aluminum bagger for that, but we don't bag much with this, believe it or not. We really don't even use this machine much, but our current one was giving us issues, and then our backup stander was heading out the door, so we had to sell that. Made our other one the backup, and bought this guy brand new. So just kind of, like I said, guys, this is just a quick overview video. Nothing too, you know, too detailed here, but this is the 36. No problems, cuts great. These Wrights really do cut great, you know, even if you got to go in reverse on some yards. But air filters up here, And again, I'm just spitballing here with everything, guys, so bear with me. You know, there's 2 deck belts underneath. These are the sides right here that come right off. There's one here. There's wing nuts on each side there in the back. Always have backup belts. We always do. Went through the hydros back here. And, you know, that's really it, guys. You know, I kind of just wanted to post like a quick little update. That's all with the new 36. If anyone has any questions, please let me know. I believe price point for these was like a little over 10 or a little under 10, pretty close. I don't know, with inflation and all that, nothing was the same when we bought our fleet, you know, right before inflation, I guess you call it. But that's really it, guys. Like I said, this is just a quick little overview video. If anyone has any questions or anything like that, just let me know below. Just, you know, nothing really new. You know, if you have a standard that's a few years older like ours, our backup now is 4 years old. Nothing's really changed. I can't notice anything. I did notice one thing up here on the dash. I believe this would be for headlights. Right there. I'm not too sure. I think so, right? Which I guess would be neat if you're cutting it dark or cutting at night. You know, we have one property, commercial property. We start at 0500 just because it's commercial and it's in the middle of the woods and it takes forever. But I don't think we need like headlights for anything like that. Batteries on the side. Again, spitballing here, everybody. That's all. So just bear with me. This mower came from Atlantic County Rental. If you're in South Jersey, check them out. Atlantic County Rental, look them up. Batteries in there. We always keep those clean too. That's one thing we gotta keep up with on all these mowers, is keeping all the battery terminals clean. I'll figure that out. But again, that's really it, guys. Just kind of a quick little overview video. If you have any questions, let me know below. I'll help you out. Again, we've had these standard intensity mowers for a very long time. Never any major issues. I think the only thing we had wrong with our other one was the throttle cable, and the PTO went out once, and that was really it. The blades wouldn't engage, but that's it, guys. So questions, let me know below. I'll try to help you out. Brand new for 2024. Just a quick little update. Thanks for watching.